In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new Messenger update. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your App Store, then at the toolbar tap at Search, and here in the search box type in Messenger. Next, you can open up Messenger right here, and there you can get the latest version of the app. If this button says update, just hit on that button to get the latest update. Now for me it says open. It means that I already have the latest version, but in some cases it can be glitches and bugs on your version, so you can't get access to latest Messenger features, and in that case you have to force update the message. So you can open up Settings, then go into General. Next, right here, tap at iPhone Storage, and here you have to scroll down until you find Messages Application. And here you can tap there at Offload App button. This action will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data, so you wouldn't lose any messages, any DMs, conversation, profile information, and so on. So I'll just tap at Offload App, then hit there at Offload App, and now here I can tap on Reinstall App to download it and to get the latest working and stable version of Messenger application, and you just have to wait until upload is complete. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.